3 floors. The first is to house cattle, the second is the owner's living area, and the third is used to store harvest. Liu Li took me to visit the home of a Tibetan woman by the name of Sijia. Sijia owns a small business selling souvenirs to the tourists. She made us Tibetan yak butter tea in her lavishly decorated sitting room. Yak butter tea is essential to the Tibetans. Living high on the mountains, they drink it every day to combat the low temperatures.
To drink this, you need to sit down. It's sweet and salty, very tasty. Hey, 谢谢。哦。It's supposed to keep me warm for the whole day.
姐姐，您家真的是特别漂亮，这个上面这个很多的图案都有讲究的吧？
这个像我身后的这个是我们藏家的吉祥八宝。
吉祥八宝，
这个是有8种图案。
哦，那边也有。
这一排都是。
哦。八宝。哦。
然后这个是那个4大天王，就是家里面的守护神。
哦。
每一个家庭里面都有的，每一家都有。
每家也都有这个吉祥八宝。
对，这2种是缺少不了的。这个是神龛，点的所有的是给神点的。然后这个神龛是一般不能打开的。有那个和尚喇嘛念经以后才能打开的。平常不能打开。
里面供的是佛像。
佛像。
哇，
真
漂亮！这地方叫做经堂。
对。
平时每天要在这边念经吗？
不一定，就是点所有的每天都要点的。念经不一定每天都念，因为喇嘛也请不上，请一个喇嘛也是很贵的。
什么时候请一个喇嘛？会请喇嘛过来？
比如说好的日子这些才请的。
什么是好的日子呢？
就是还是有喇嘛算的，我们也算不会算的。
专门的日子哈。这些也是。
这些是那个寺庙里面改庙会，你给他那个捐赠了，然后他回给你的。
就是你有一些捐赠以后，寺庙里面回给你一些东西。
对。
真漂亮，很多。
不多，就这么几个。
不多哈，还有人家更多的。
有更多的。
那这些都是在这敬神用的吗？
这些是我们家前2天念经了。所以念经以后一定要摆这些，这些是我们妇女同志的腰带，这些都是腰间围的。这个藏刀是我们家男主人的。
When the Lama does come to perform a ceremony, more than 100 yak butter lamps will light up the house. Not every Tibetan will show you their jingtang at home. It is the most sacred place. Tibetan people are a highly religious people. Religion is part of their everyday life, and all aspects of their existence revolve around their relationship with their gods. It's not hard to see why spirituality is so important when you think about the pristine nature of the surrounding environment. About 2/3 of the Jiuzhaigou Park is covered by virgin forest. Hundreds of kinds of birds and animals live here, including the endangered giant panda and golden snub-nosed monkey. Walking on the leaf-covered ground is like treading on a soft, soundless carpet. Many of the countless numbers of seed plants here have ornamental or medical uses, and many too are on the endangered list. If you love hiking, this is the place to work out. Jiuzhaigou has a monsoon climate and the average temperature in summer is 17 degrees Celsius. It's pleasantly cool in summer and devoid of bitterly cold winds in winter. The largest lake in Jiuzhaigou is the Long Lake. The lake is 5,000 meters long, 1,000 meters wide, and 40 meters deep. And it still has an untamed look that has inspired legends of monsters in the deep. Following the waters of Shuzhengshao, we made a visit to Jiuzhaigou Monastery, the largest monastery in Jiuzhaigou. The Tibetan people believe the color white has sanctity, and that's why you see white pagodas at the entrances of villages and monasteries throughout the area.
师傅，咱们这个扎如寺的扎如两个字是什么意思啊？
扎如寺原藏名叫仁文宫吧。
人文宫吧。
对，仁文宫吧翻译成汉语就是说是一个很神圣的地方，也就是信徒请求平安吉祥的最佳场所的意思。
哦，人文宫吧。
对，仁文宫吧。
大师，咱们寺里面供的是什么佛？
我们这里供的是我们本钵教的创始人东巴西若苗。
东巴西若苗。
对，因为我们这里信仰的是本钵教，本钵教呢是西藏本土文化的基础上发展起来的一个历史最悠久、最古老的一个教派。
历史最悠久、最古老。
对。
哦，那有多悠久呢？
我们的创始人距今有18000多年的历史了。
18000多年的历史。
对，18000多年的历史。
Tibetan Buddhists turn their prayer wheels in a clockwise direction, but Benpo believers do exactly the opposite. The Jiuzhaigou Monastery holds 3 big ceremonies each year, 2 in winter and 1 in summer. The Benpo belief is a kind of fetishism. They worship all kinds of gods that they believe reside in the wind, rain, mountains, wood, rivers, all the natural elements. That's why in Jiuzhaigou legend, each mountain has its own deity with a particular name and personality, just like in Greek mythology. In total, there are 114 lakes in Jiuzhaigou, and the smallest one is called the Five-Colored Pond. Like the rest of Jiuzhaigou, it's so pure and ethereal that it stirs a sense of wonder. I have honestly never seen anything like this. There's a feeling that nature can really cleanse the soul and give you peace of mind.